will make your blood boil. On the left side of your screen is Kuldeep Singh Sengar, an expelled BJP leader accused of kidnapping and raping a minor. The shocking part, his life sentence has been suspended and the court has granted him bail. And on the right side of your screen is the Unnao rape survivor. She, along with her mother, took to the streets yesterday to protest against the bail order, highlighting the threat to their lives. Instead, she was dragged, humiliated and detained by the police at India Gate. These are two contrasting realities, one of a powerful accused walking free and one of a survivor living in fear. The survivor has voiced grave concerns for her family, saying the decision has left them living in constant fear. Yesterday, the survivor of the Unnao rape also met with Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. The survivor said that she met Rahul and he assured her of justice. Listen in to what the survivor and her mother said.
महोदय से मिलने की गुहार लगाई, मैं प्रधानमंत्री से भी मिलने की गुहार लगाई, मैंने सबसे मिला लेकिन हमसे कोई भी नहीं मिला। और राहुल भैया का सामने से फोन आया और सामने से हमको बुलाया और मैं उनसे मिलने गई। उन्होंने मुझे न्याय का आश्वासन दिया और न्याय की लड़ाई के लिए आगे के लिए बोला है। यही है कि हमें न्याय दीजिए। आप लोगों से यही उम्मीद है कि मेरी आवाज़ आगे तक बढ़ाइए और मुझे न्याय दिया जाए। मुझे यही आश्वासन दिया है कि हम आपको न्याय दिलाएंगे। आपके सामने गलत हुआ है और मैं आपको न्याय दिलाऊंगा। राहुल गांधी और सोनिया गांधी हमसे मिली हैं, हमको बोली है तुमको हम न्याय दिवाएंगे। अंदर सोनिया गांधी भी, राहुल भैया बहुत हमको भरोसा।
कैसे मारा था?
पुलिस वाले ने देखो कल इंडिया गेट के पास जब उनको बेल मिली, हाई कोर्ट पे बेल मिली तो हम लोग धरना प्रदर्शन किया तो हमको खींच के गाड़ी में खींचते हुए मारते हुए हमको बैठा दिया।
प्रधानमंत्री से मिलने के लिए समय मांगा आप लोगों ने?
प्रधानमंत्री से समय मांगा है, प्रधानमंत्री ने आज तक का कोई खबर हमको नहीं पहुंचाया।
Now, you heard what the survivor and her mother said. The CBI, meanwhile, is moving the Supreme Court at the earliest against the High Court granting bail to the accused of Sengar. The accused filed an appeal and bail petition was vehemently opposed by the CBI as well as the family of the victim before the Delhi High Court. My colleague Priyank Tripathi joins us on the broadcast with the details. And Priyank, there has been outrage across the country over the fact that the Delhi High Court had in fact taken up this move, after which the CBI is now opposing it. What are the details of the CBI's plea?
See, Pratibha, CBI officials, sources have been indicating that it's in the process since the registrar's office is closed for the today because it's a vacation. That's why probably tomorrow the petition will be moved before the apex court so that this particular order from the High Court can be challenged by the Central Bureau of Investigation. On the other side, there are private lawyers also who have filed their appeal before the apex court, and a letter has also been circulated from their side, which is certainly mentioning that this order from the High Court is not acceptable. There has been so much of outrage on various platforms related to this particular case because everyone was hoping that the victim will get justice. It's just not a matter of one particular heinous crime which was not only rape but also which led to murder. But this was related to some order which was also passed by the High Court, where the High Court has fixed a time-bound trial in this particular case, which was related to 2 months of time period. So that is the narrative which people want to see, that if the High Court itself had given time period, bound investigation and trial in this particular case, what made to court realize and suspension of this particular order which was passed by the Tisazadi court, where the I beg your pardon, by the Karkaduma court, where the court has certainly mentioned that the accused should be held responsible for the act which he has done. So it's going to be important that when the apex court will hear the matter, but certainly Kuldeep Singh Sengar is not out on from the jail itself because he is an accused in the murder case of the victim's father. That's why he remains to be at the Tihar jail, while on the other side, the legal battle from the victim's side is still continuing.
Thank you for